Sup y'all, how you guys doing today? My name is Anuna, if you didn't already know. So this channel is mainly just going to be about fashion and art. And in the fashion category, it's pretty much going to be how to sew your own clothing. And that may be, from scratch. So making your own design and then making it, or getting a pattern and making it. Or maybe just altering a shirt that you already have. Altering a jacket that you already have, just making it your own. And maybe and also how to repair like a broken zipper, how to replace a zipper, how to replace this and that, and just repair in general. Also, I'm gonna be sharing a couple of my opinions on styles, a couple style tips, and ways you can just change the way you look without buying anything new. But if you did want to buy something new, I do make clothing and I do sell them. If you want to get something like this, which is very soft, stretchy, and it's very comfortable as well. So if you want this, let me know. I'll make one for you. And then just tell me what you need. Turtleneck, long sleeve, short sleeve, whatever you want, I got it. But yeah, my style is mainly streetwear and a bit of a casual, if that's the right category for it. I don't know, man. The first tip I can really give you guys is, if you guys really want to change the way you guys look without really doing too much, is just roll up the sleeves of your shirt, or you can like wear a necklace or rings or a watch or any sort of bracelets. That will actually just change your look just a little bit. For the next video, I'm gonna be sewing a turtleneck t-shirt. Stay tuned for that. It's down below if you wanna know how to do something, like let's say sew a jacket zipper, anything you wanna know in the bottom, anything you wanna see next, just comment down below, and subscribe, ring the bell icon so you know what's coming and when my videos are coming out. And I hope that I actually helped you guys out, and I hope that I will continue to help you guys out. Yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below. If you want to buy some clothing, the link will be in the bio or in the description box thing down there. I think that's about it today. Yeah, that's about it for today. See you in the next video. Please share this if you liked it. Like it if you liked it. Comment if you liked it. Tell me what you want to see next. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Anuna out.